Good afternoon, namaste, and welcome everyone.
Namaste, sir.
First of all, I would like to apologize because I could not connect on time. Please listen, dear students. I request all the students to be ready with a pen and copy. Please be there with a pen and copy. Today we will conclude the lesson, first lesson, attitude, by writing notes on some topics. So please everybody get ready with pen and copy.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah, for first 15 minutes, we will be writing notes. So I will show you the slides and I will read. Okay, and you are going to note in your copy. Okay, we will write the definition of attitude and differences between positive and negative attitude, like that. Okay, please. So all the students of grade 8 are requested to be ready with pen and copy. And soon, so we are starting, okay, writing notes on some topics, please. Then after we'll discuss some questions. So let me start or begin today's class. Please be ready, dear students. Okay, I'm just opening the slides. Just wait. So please, okay, everybody, you can see on the screen also. Same thing I'm going to read out, and you are requested to copy. So first, everybody write the topic attitude. ATTITUDE, attitude. Okay. Now let's write, dear students, a definition. Please start to write. According to Cambridge Dictionary, comma, then inverted comma, attitude is defined as the feeling or opinion, OPINION, opinion about something or someone, full stop. And please change the line. Okay, let's try to answer in another way. And attitude is an expression, EXPRESSION, expression of favor or disfavor towards a person, place, thing, or event. Now please change the paragraph and write the next topic, dear students. The next topic is difference between positive and negative attitude. So if you have time, you can make a table with 2 columns, and the left column you can write the points of positive attitude, and in the right column you can write the points of negative attitude. So after writing the definition of attitude, now we are going to write difference between positive and negative attitude. So let me read from here. Okay, you can see your screen and write as well in the copy. Positive attitude, number 1, ready for new experiences. I repeat, number 1, positive attitude, ready for new experiences. Positive attitude, number 1, ready for new experiences. And in number 2 of negative attitude is right, afraid of change. And number 2, take care of other and are always ready to help. Now, number 2, negative attitude, don't care of others and think they are always right. So we're writing 5 differences between positive and negative attitude. Just now we have finished up to number 2. Now number 3 difference. Number 3, in positive attitude, takes responsibility for their failures. FAILURES.
Roshan sir?
Sorry, honesty about नेट गएको
हजुर हजुर
फेरि कनेक्ट हुँदैछु हैन
हजुर
हजुर यो अफ भएको भयो के भएर रहेछ प्रब्लम?
Internet connection
म
here, sir.
यो स्क्रिन उ गर्दैछु एकछिन. हजुर हजुर. Okay, let's continue, students. Sorry for the interruption. So we were up to number 3. Okay, now you can go. Number 3 is blame others for their own mistake. Number 3, negative attitude, blame others for their own mistake. And number 4, in positive attitude, you can write, say sorry for any inconvenience caused. INCONVENIENC, inconvenience caused. And in number 4, negative attitude. So never say sorry. Never say sorry, even when they know they are wrong. This is number 4 point in negative attitude. Last number, the last difference between positive attitude and negative attitude. Number 5, please write on the side of positive attitude, think about common goal, and shared team benefits. Today I'm requesting the students of grade 8, please to write in the copy. Number 5, positive attitude, think about common goal and shared team benefits. And last, number 5, in negative attitude side, think only a personal gain and benefit. Think only your personal gain and benefit. So we do not have long notes. It will only take 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. So if you have finished writing up to difference between positive attitude and negative attitude, please write the next topic. The next topic is benefits of having positive mindset. Benefits, BENEFITS, benefits of having positive mindset. Positive mindset. So under the topic, you can write a positive frame of mind. A positive frame of mind can help us in many ways. In many ways, such as, so we are writing the benefits in number point. Number one number benefit enables us, ENEBLES, enables us to show, 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 self-esteem, SELF, self, hyphen, ESTEEM, esteem, and confidence. Number 1 benefit is, I repeat, enables us to show self-esteem and confidence. Number 2, we look, 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 we look for solutions, instead of dwelling, DWELLING, dwelling on problems. Dwelling on problems. Dwelling is just like hanging, okay, thinking only about the problems. Number 3 benefit, number 3, positive attitude helps us, achieve goals, 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 and attain, ATTAIN, attain success. Number 3, I repeat, positive attitude helps us achieve goals and attain success. Now, last, number 4 benefit. Number 4, it brings more happiness into our life. Last, number 4, I repeat, it brings more happiness into our life. Now, next topic, dear students, simple tips for developing a positive attitude. Simple tips for developing a positive attitude. This is the topic, and under this topic, we're going to write some tips. So how can we develop a positive attitude? Okay, number one tip is choose to be happy. Choose to be happy. And in this point, so we can write one simple sentence in same number. When negative thoughts, when negative thoughts enter your mind, substitute substitute them, them with happy thoughts. Next point, next tip, look at the bright side of life. Look at the bright side of life. This is second point. Now please let's write the third point. Number third. Next tip, have faith in yourself. Have faith, F-A-I-T as faith in yourself, and believe that the universe can help you. And believe that the universe can help you. Next point, the next tip, number 4, associate, associate, associate yourself with happy people. Associate yourself with happy people. Last tip for developing a positive, read inspiring or good books. Read inspiring or good books. I hope the students of class 8 are writing these points in the okay, either by looking the screen or listening to my voice. A few points we have. This is the second last point. I'm sharing another screen. Next topic, dear students of grade 8, you are there and listening to me clearly. Next topic for today's notes writing is simple habits to grow positive attitude. Simple habits to grow positive attitude. Please be patient for 5 minutes. Okay, within that time, we can finish this note. Simple habits to grow positive attitude. Number 1 habit, use positive words to describe your life. Use positive words to describe your life. Second point, second habit, have solutions, have solutions when pointing out problems. Have solution when pointing out problems. The third habit which we need to inculcate is make someone else smile. In number 3, we're writing make someone else smile. Now the second last, don't let yourself, don't let yourself get dragged, D-R-A-G-G-E-D, dragged into other complaints, into other complaints, C-O-M-P-L-A-I-N-T-S, complaints. And the last number, the last habit is embrace, E-M-B-R-A-C-E, embrace the challenges as adventures. It means there's always red opportunities. The last point is embrace the challenges as adventures. Now 2 more minutes, dear students. So we are going to write the definition of behavior. So this is the last term. Okay, this is the last terminology for today's notes. Let's write the definition of behavior. What is behavior? According to Merriam, Merriam, Merriam Webster Dictionary, dictionary, behavior is defined, defined, defined as the way that a person, an animal behaves in a particular situation. I repeat, Behavior is defines the way that a person, an animal behaves in a particular situation. Means it is reaction. Okay, reactions to a particular action. Finally, please, all students have graduated. Okay, now taking a few more minutes, I request you to copy the questions. Okay, there are 6 questions. There are questions. Okay, from the first chapter. From the first chapter, number 1 question: in your opinion, what is the most positive aspect, ASPECT aspect, positive aspect of this pandemic? Please, we are copying the question. We're writing the question. Number 1 question is, what is the most positive aspect of this pandemic? Now I request all the students to write very short answer. Please, I write very short answer. Okay. And in your opinion, what is the most positive aspect of this pandemic? This is question number 1. And second question: what are your strengths and weaknesses? What are your strengths and weaknesses? Second question. And number 3 question: how good are you in managing time? Number 3 question is, how good are you in managing time? Please, those who can listen, and for those the voice is clear, I think you can write. Later on we'll share. Number 4. Number 4 question is, on the scale of 10, 1, 0, 10, that is number. On the scale of 10, how much would you rate? How much would you rate yourself? Number 4 question was, on the scale of 10, how much would you rate yourself? Now, number 5 question, 2 more questions. We need only 1 minute to finish this. Okay, how do you react? Number 5 question is, how do you react when faced hurdles? Hurdles means obstacle, problems. Hurdles, 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 while trying to achieve a goal. I repeat question number 5. How do you react when faced with hurdles while trying to achieve a goal? And number 6, the last question, this is, what goal or aim have you set in your life? So altogether, there are 6 questions that these questions we are discussing. Please, dear students. So while reading the notes and questions to you, I could read some chat. I could read some message from some students. For them, the sound was not clear, and even they could not see the slides properly. And actually, let me know that how many of you could not hear the sound and see the slide properly. Okay, Yosana, what's about you? Did you hear the sound? Yeah, please, you can unmute your mic and
Sir,
say
a
something,
little
please.
bit. A little bit.
Yeah, what's about the slide? Is that clear or not?
Your slide was clear.
Okay, yeah. If you did not hear the sound also, you could copy from the slide. Okay, that was 2 short notes, okay, from the lesson first chapter, attitude. Yeah, and then what's about Prajwal? Did you copy the notes or not? Prajwal?
Yes, sir. Copied.
Yes, Sushant Ranabad, are you there?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, okay, Salina say yes. Next, Sunishchip, did you also copy the notes and questions? Okay, Aryan Jha, yes, sir. Thank you so much. What's about Rohan? Could you copy the notes or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's about Kelvin?
Yes, sir, I copied.
Yes. Gaurav.
Yes, sir, I copied.
Okay. Now, okay. Thank you, Gaurav. Salina, Gautam.